In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blog post topics using SEMrush. If you've ever struggled to come up with fresh, relevant ideas, this workflow will help you build a targeted list grounded in real search demand. Start by logging into SEMrush.com. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Keyword Magic Tool. This is the central place where you can explore thousands of related terms around a single topic and turn them into blog ideas. In the search bar, type your main keyword or topic, the phrase your audience is most likely to use, and click Search. You'll see a broad list of related keywords and variations. Take a quick pass through the results to spot patterns. Short head terms, longer phrases, and modifiers like how to, best, and vs. Pay special attention to question-based phrases. They're excellent seeds for informative articles because they clearly indicate what readers want to learn. Next, narrow the list with filters to focus on ideas that are both valuable and achievable. Use the search volume filter to highlight terms with meaningful traffic potential. Bigger isn't always better. Moderate volume can bring consistent, qualified readers if the topic is specific to your niche. Then look at keyword difficulty. Lower difficulty generally means less competition and a better chance to rank, especially if your site is newer. Choose a range that matches your current authority and resources. Finally, set intent to informational. This ensures you're targeting queries where people want explanations, guides, or how-tos. Perfect for blog posts. When a keyword stands out, click it to open the SERP analysis. Here you'll see the top ranking pages for that term. Review the titles, formats, and angles to confirm the search intent. Are winners publishing tutorials, definitions, or lists? Note what they cover well and where they fall short: outdated data, missing steps, or lack of examples. These gaps show opportunities to create something more helpful and comprehensive. As you browse, note the most compelling keywords and the questions you encounter. Those questions can become headlines, subheadings, or entire posts. Group related phrases into themes so a single article can naturally address multiple variations without straying off topic. That's the process. Log in, open Keyword Magic Tool, search your topic, apply filters for volume, difficulty, and intent. Click into a keyword for SERP analysis and capture popular keywords and questions. Follow this flow and you'll consistently generate blog post ideas that align with real user interest and are realistic to rank for.